To put the filter in your sheet, you have to first move your activated cell pointer where the data is present. Okay, so I'm going to keep right here, and then I want to put a filter. So the shortcut is Alt A-T. This will help you to sort the data as per the filter condition. And if you want to remove the filter, same shortcode, Alt A-T. Okay, this will remove your filter. But as I said earlier, you have to keep this activated cell pointer where the data is present. If you put the activated cell pointer here, and if you try to activate the filter with this shortcode, then you will be getting an error. Okay, so make sure that the pointer is present where the data is present, and then you are putting it Alt ED.